In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up 301 redirects in Squarespace. Using this step-by-step guide, you'll have your redirects up and running in just a few minutes, keeping your visitors and SEO intact. First, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Click the login button at the top of the homepage. For a faster experience, select Continue with Google if your account is linked. This is a quick and secure way to access your dashboard without typing in extra passwords. Once logged in, find your website on the dashboard and click on it. Make sure you select the correct site, as any changes you make will apply specifically to this website. Next, navigate to Settings, usually represented by the gear icon. From there, scroll down and click on Developer Tools. This section might sound intimidating, but it's simply where Squarespace houses advanced features, including URL mapping. Within Developer Tools, select URL mappings. This is where you'll set up your 301 redirects. The format is straightforward. Type the old URL followed by a space, then the new URL. This tells Squarespace to automatically redirect visitors from the old link to the new one. Once you've entered your mappings, click Save. This final step ensures that all changes are applied and live immediately. And that's it. You've successfully set up 301 redirects in Squarespace. By doing this, anyone visiting outdated links will be smoothly redirected, improving user experience and preserving your SEO value. Thanks for following along, and happy redirecting.